Hi everyone, it's Hammer from Playman. So glad you can join me for another video. It's a little bit chilly today, so let's heat our hands up and let's get started. Lovely paper whites, tulips, gorgeous roses, some snapdragons, carnations, and a few other, but we're going mainly for pinks and whites. Lovely box foliage. We'll use that just to fill everything out. Keeping it nice and simple today. I just have to clean up them roses in a little bit. Lovely ranunculus. So I'm just starting with the center. Making something look quite spring-like. And we're sort of just playing with form now. Just rounding it out a little bit. But keeping it quite structured on the V. Where all the flowers go. It's a little bit random, but the colors just make it all flow together. And then we just want to pretty much just play with different heights, different angles. So I'm not too worried about structure for this type of bouquet. Smells really nice, which is the main thing. There we are so far. So I think it just needs a little fern, so we're just going to do a simple wire. Try not to spend too much time. I'm just going to do, because it's quite short anyway, I'm just going to do a really light. I can just sit there just to balance off the snapdragons. Cute little posy. This is our final all wrapped up really nicely.